Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, 2 new cars arrived today, so I thought I'd do a video on this. These, of course, are Marx tankers. Now, I got these for $8, $4 a piece, plus shipping, of course, and they were missing the wheels. Easy enough to solve. I've got a box full of wheels and axles. And just as a tip, if push comes to shove, if you have some tin litho that is missing wheels, the late Marx plastic cars use exactly the same wheels and axles. You can just take them off a plastic car and snap them directly onto tin litho. Anyway, I've got this on the DC rail. Just put these on here. Gives me a total of 9 on now, plus I think I've got 2 more buried in a box in the closet. I'm not sure. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video of this running with these new cars. Anyway, $4 a piece, missing the wheels. Snap the wheels on them, and we are up and running. As you see, running perfectly. This reinforces everything I say. Don't overlook the jump. You know, this guy had these on eBay for, I don't know, probably 8 days. Something like that. I just contacted and made him an offer. So $8 for both of them plus shipping. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. They are in fairly decent condition, far from perfect, but I've got worse, as you see. Anyway, for $4 you couldn't beat them. I couldn't pass it up. Anyway, snap some wheels on them. Like I said, you can take the wheels off of the late Marx plastic cars, and they'll snap directly into the chassis of the tin litho. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video. As you see, it is getting bigger and bigger. If I can pull out the other 2, that'll give me a total of 11. Anyway, it runs nice, old original, if you want to use that term. It's all original Marx, there's no doubt about that. I've lighted the caboose and added a cabin slot coupler to that 10,005. But as you see, it makes a really effective locomotive and a really decent looking consist, as you see. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.